Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. Here we have a Diecast NASCAR from the 2021 NASCAR Series. We have Kyle Larson's number 5 Freightliner car. From the Action Race Collectibles, actually. Anyway, let's get Kyle Larson's car out of the box. That was terrible. Yeah. So here is Kyle Larson's 5 car. So this is one of Kyle Larson's cars that he drove in the 2021 season. You have seen this car from the Bristol Dirt Race, which I think is the only race I saw him with this number 5 Freightliner car. So obviously he went from the 42 to the 45 after he got 5 from Chip Ganassi Racing. So obviously the classic number 5, the black Freightliner, the blue number 5 on the top and on the side. Now, Freightliner does sponsor Team Penske, but this was used for a one-time race for Kyle Larson as he tried to find sponsorship throughout the 21 season, in which he did win the championship. With black front, white and gray on the sides, Freightliner, a back black, and that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.